Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying the readings, resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring in everyday videos and when I bring in shorts videos and other videos. So here comes our amazing Kali Mata Oracle deck. So let's see what is in store for you today. That's an amazing card, Vishwa Mata. Can you see her? She looks so pretty. She looks so mind blowing. Let us see what is the next card. Oh wow, Mahakali. That's a beautiful combination of, Vishwa Mata and Mahakali because both are interrelated, both have a beautiful connect. Vishwa Mata comes in a reading when she is decided to give you awesome protection, when she has decided to encourage you to become confident. So today is the day of confidence. Today is the day of becoming indicating that she is protecting you. So lot of protection is there around you. She will dissolve all the issues that you are facing. She will help you raise from above. She will help you that you're always protected. Just look at her and say, oh, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Vishwamata, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Vishwamata. Say that 11 times. Just keep looking at her and keep saying that, and I'm sure she's going to bless you all today. If possible, pick up some red flowers, offer it to her, and you can just keep it there and burn some sandalwood incense seeking her blessings, and I'm sure she's going to be happy with the flowers you're giving her, and she will bless you all in the most abundant and in the most powerful way. I'm definitely sure she's going to do that. And coming to our magnificent, our mind-blowing and this beautiful lady, the Mahakali. Sometimes we know that the divine is taking care of us, but at the same time we just don't accept it. We feel if the divine is taking care of us, then why we are suffering? But basically, when we are born as the human beings, then we need to face everything. Sometimes happiness, sometimes sadness, sometimes love, sometimes hatred. That is the main reason that human beings face. But when she comes, she is prepared with all her beautiful weapons to take care of you, to see to it that you are gaining the right wisdom, you are gaining the right knowledge. So today is a day of knowledge, wisdom, protection. Today I feel things will go really smooth, and you will be very happy when you're seeing her, because when she has come, it is basically she is going to attend to you. She's going to help you in fulfilling all your wishes. And trust this when I'm telling you this, she has come to love you and she has come to bless you with all her blessings. So today just say 21 times Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kali, and after the 21 times, next 21 times, just say cream, 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 and I'm sure she's going to bless you. Today the color is going to be red, and also, as I said, offer some red flowers. I'm sure she's going to be very happy. Have a beautiful and a blessed Kalima day to all the beautiful people out there. Thank you.